Okay, well, we are here in the coop on the 12th of November, and I see 4, 5, 6, oh, and 7. She's still back behind the rock. Here she is. And I saw a distinguishing mark for another little bird the other day. I don't know if I'm gonna call him the friar or the preacher bird, but he's got a little white spot right under his chin on his collar. So we'll see. Oh, that might be him there. He's got a white spot. Or she. I don't know. I think the girls are spotted and brown head feathers, and the boys have white feathers on their face. So I see. It's still hard to tell. I think that one over there is a girl. And yeah, I see some white face feather. We might have 3 boys and 3 girls, and I'm pretty sure 7's a little girl. My spoiled little quail. Hope they don't run away. Mommy stood up because her legs are sore. Just got done putting the plastic up. Uh-oh, we got more squawking going on back there. I don't know what's going on. Somebody getting picked on, or somebody thinks it's mating time. I don't know. Spoiled little birds. I added scratch grains, and oh, they're picking at that. I think the scratch grains might be good. And we added some alfalfa bedding grass, and somebody seems to think that's pretty nifty. Yep. Next time I come in here, I'm going to do this landscape. I don't know why I keep doing it vertical like this, but next time we'll do landscape. Warmed up a little better than they said it was going to today. They said it was only going to get to 37, but from the looks of things, it got to about 39 today, so that's pretty cool. Little birdies are happy about that. Pretty active right now before bedtime. We heard the 5 o'clock whistle a little bit ago. We'll be getting ready for bed soon. Neighbor dogs are saying hi. Woo! Woo! Stretching our wings. Okay, you guys, Mama's legs are getting sore. I'm gonna say goodnight. Well, maybe. If you keep doing cute stuff, I won't. Okay, guys. Mama's gonna say night night. Bye for now, everybody.